we are going to be doing an amazing makeover of this dress form. I found this dress form at it was at a thrift store. So today we are going to be doing this dress form, but the star of the show is the crowns. We're going to be needing to decide what crowns we want to use. I like the color, so I don't think we're going to have to paint this. I like these jewels around here, and I think we can embellish it with some more Totally Dazzled up around the dress form. But I want to put a skirt on her. Look at this piece of fabric. Isn't it wonderful? I absolutely love it. I made a journal out of this piece of fabric. I love it so much. And I think that this needs to be her skirt. Let's pin her in the front. I might want to go up and... Oh, look. If you take it up higher, it's so cute. Okay. Let's pin there. We're going to pin here. And pin here. Okay, so there she is so far. Bring it back here. This is the length. I want to be able to see the bottom. So let me get my magic fabric scissors. God, cutting with butter. Or it's like cutting butter. So here is our skirt on our girl. I think that we need to put a piece of applique around the waist. And what applique would we use? Totally Dazzled, right? This one is the antique bronze. This is an antique bronze. And I think it looks really good with the top. I think that works. Okay, so let's put our skirt on. We know we want the skirt there. I'm going to use glue, and I'm going to put just a slight little tuck pleat every now and then. It'll work here. Right. Bring this back on that, and I'm just pleating it. I'm going to do an accordion pleat back and forth on it. Okay. Hello, Marcia. And I'm just graduating the accordion pleat to where it'll be centered. And it'll go like that. That'll be the bustle on the back. Just a little one. I actually want to do... Okay, so let's see here. This was the one I like. These appliques, guys. And if you glue a little bit on the end, I just use some Fabri-Tac. You glue a little bit on the end of it, they will not, the beads and rhinestones will not come off. Okay, we're not going to use sewing scissors to cut this though. We are going to cut with some other scissors. So I'm doing that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little dot of Fabri-Tac on the edge of these, just like that, just right on the edge. And then it will not unravel. Okay. Okay. I am going to take this strong This is the sticker back. This is 3M tape, and it's very strong. But because we want to keep this together forever, I'm going to go ahead and put Fabri-Tac on it also. Look at her. Okay, so there's that. Now, do you see this back right here where the little bustle is? I've got these little flowers. Let me look. What do you guys think? So we're gonna bling some of the front of this with rhinestones. Okay, we're gonna do some of the bigger ones. Okay. I've got a few places I wanna do the bigger ones. Right there. You see how I put those rhinestones right on that? Where the jewelry is. Y'all can see that, can't you? Okay, now we're gonna go a little bit smaller. I'm gonna go the very smallest, teeny tiny. There's 6, I think. Bling on that Eiffel Tower. Okay, I like her. So, you guys, this is our project. We use Totally Dazzled appliques, the Totally Dazzled applicator kit, rhinestone applicator kit, and this precious crown. How fun is this? I'm gonna have to think of a name for her. You guys have a very blessed day, and I hope to see you soon.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.